In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to present slides in a circle, so meeting step by step. To get started, open Circle.so in your web browser and log in to your community. Once you're inside, navigate to the event or live session where you want to present your slides. This is the first thing you'll want to have ready so you can move smoothly into the meeting without delays. Next, open the live event and click Join. Before you enter, take a moment to check your microphone, camera, and internet connection on the pre-join screen. This quick check is important because it helps you avoid technical issues once you're live and presenting in front of other participants. After that, make sure your presentation is already open and ready to go. Whether you're using PowerPoint, Google Slides, Canva, or another presentation tool, it's best to have it prepared in advance. Doing this makes the transition into screen sharing much easier and helps you avoid searching for the correct file during the meeting. Once you're inside the Circle live session, look for the screen sharing icon in the control bar and click it. Your browser will then ask what you want to share. You'll usually see options like your entire screen, a specific window, or a browser tab. Choose the screen or window that contains your presentation. If you only want attendees to see the slides and not anything else on your desktop, selecting a single window is often the cleanest option. Then click Share to begin presenting. As soon as you do, everyone in the session will be able to see your shared screen. From there, switch to your presentation and start slideshow or present mode. This gives your audience a cleaner, more professional view of your slides while you talk through them. If your presentation includes a video or any sound, there's one extra thing to remember. When sharing from Chrome using a browser tab, you can enable the option to share tab audio. This is useful if your audience needs to hear embedded media clearly. As you present, continue speaking and guiding your audience through the slides. Keep an eye on the Circle meeting controls or the chat in case participants ask questions. If needed, you can also adjust the live video layout during the session to better fit the presentation and discussion. When you're done presenting, return to the Circle live session and click Stop